The Treasury says it has no immediate plans to seek a syndicated loan towards the 2019-2020 financial year budget. This, even as it last week put on sale a 50 billion shillings 20-year bond in the local market. Let's get more from our very own Faisal Ahmed.
According to available information, the National Treasury had circulated documents to commercial banks indicating that Kenya was seeking 150 billion shillings as a syndicated loan. But when contacted by Citizen Television, Acting Treasury Cabinet Secretary Ukuru Yetani's office said that they were not aware of such plans. The deal, if materialized, would mean a continuation of Treasury's debt appetite. This confirmed by 2 tranches of local bonds already in the market totaling to 90 billion shillings. This on the backdrop of the latest Central Bank of Kenya debt report peaking Kenya's domestic and foreign borrowings at 5.81 trillion shillings.
So most of the borrowing that is coming now is not really going to retire other debt. It's for budgetary support. So when you're retiring debt, at least you retire debt, then you replace it with another, so you don't really move much. But when you're just borrowing for budgetary support, that means you're adding to the stock of debt that you currently have.
In the current financial year, the Treasury is facing an estimated 600 billion shillings deficit. This is expected to be bridged by, among others, borrowing from foreign nations and markets. While the government insists that the borrowing is yet to get to alarming levels, analysts think otherwise.
And the problem that we have is using GDP as an indicator of, no, our debt to GDP is this much. You don't pay debt using GDP, you pay debt using revenue end. So the figure that we should be more worried about is debt expense or debt servicing to revenue. So for example, for domestic debt or total debt to total revenue is currently around 35–36%. With the current borrowing that is going on, we expect that to hit 40.
In this financial year, Treasury is expected to repay 800 billion shillings in matured foreign debt. Faisal Ahmed, Citizen TV.